This is Home Maintenance Masonry and Concrete. We're known also as the Driveway Doctors. We're just now getting ready to start working on a job. So we've chiseled these out. We haven't blowed all the loose material out, but these were cracks. I don't know if you can notice that or not, but that part right there is raised up a little bit. That's because when these cracks occur, this whole area right through here, there's places where what we do is drop. I don't know if you can see this right here, but that side's higher, so you can trip. So anyway, we've chiseled all these out. We're getting ready to blow and clean all this material up and fill them in. So here's another crack I'm coming across right here. I'll sit that down this way. Joey, there's one more right there. I'll fix to move out of your way. And we'll see all these cracks down through here. We're getting ready to fill them in and just kind of working on everything. Basically what we're doing on this job, and you can see we're in a beautiful neighborhood. We actually did some work across the street at that neighbor's house. I have some videos of the brickwork on the walkway and the brickwork on the steps. And this is the house we're working on today. Beautiful, beautiful home. I say this home is at least a $500,000 home. I mean, this is beautiful. Brick is a Woodmo brick, very, very pretty brick. So just kind of showing you in detail kind of what we're doing. We've got some cracks on this circle driveway that we're doing also. And there's a crack. I don't know if you can see this. It's right there, kind of it's stair steps. It goes up, and then right there, where the right in that area right there where the coin column is cracked. Also, excuse me, kind of fix this right here. Now we just got through working on the steps. We've got cracks all down through here that we're chiseling out. And as far as the steps are concerned, we've already chiseled those out. We got one crack right here we're going to do on the sidewalk. So notice how we've got everything taped and real pretty and clean. So we've got this filled in all the way across, but also we've got a crack that has occurred right here that goes all the way up. This is above my head, comes all the way back down. We're going to get all that chiseled out and filled in. And let me show you this other side where we got these cracks and stuff on the other side. So we got cracks all down through here. We're chiseling on them now, getting them prepped and getting them ready to go. As you can see, we're working over here now. We'll get all these cracks. There's a couple of cracks on the retaining wall. One is right there. You can see it right there, and then we also have another crack right here. It's kind of right in there. So what we're doing today is getting ready to basically do the driveway cracks, and this is raised up pretty bad. Also, I don't know if you can see that, but that's a pretty deep spot. If you're walking that way, you can actually trip and fall right there. Also, even right here too. This is a trip hazard. If you walk that way, you can trip. But when we get through, we'll take the slope out and do a little gentle slope right there. So this is what we do all the time. Just wanted you to see what we're getting ready to do. We appreciate y'all watching our videos. Okay, just want to go ahead and do an update. We've actually done 2 coats on this driveway. This is our second coat. It was a little darker right here in the middle because it was thicker. And actually we had the dog kind of walked out here on it, and there's a few little paw prints, but we're believing once it starts to dry that you won't hardly be able to see those paw prints. But we also did the sidewalk, and we've done this whole area. So as we begin this job out here in this one little area, and right here in front of the garage, it was real rough. So we've smoothed it out and did a whole nother coat. So what as we've done this, what we're believing is overall, once it dries, it's going to kind of have a contour of everything mixing and matching 100% better. So you can kind of see the dog kind of walk through there. Also, we did the sidewalk too, so let me go over here and show this to you. Right now we kind of got everything kind of roped off. And so we've done the sidewalk. And they had a little kitty cat come walking on it, but they're okay with it. That goes right up there to the front. Well, since the sun gets on it, it'll dry even more. So let me show you the kitty cat marks. It happens. There they are, little paw prints through there. Little kitty cat. It's no big deal. But like I said, as the sun gets on this and it dries, it'll make it look better. And we just got through doing the sidewalk today. We did the driveway yesterday. So we've pretty much got this whole thing done a second coat. And sometimes second coat's better, but it does cost more money. So anyway, we're believing that this is going, as the sun gets on it, it's going to look 100% better the next few days. We appreciate y'all watching our videos. We'd love for you to give us a call. Beautiful, beautiful home here. And we're so glad the homeowners trust us to do the job. And when we do these jobs, we can't guarantee anything. We can if we start jackhammering, busting all the concrete out, starting all over. But where it's going to be a brand new driveway. But this actually had cracks in it and everything else. So we've done a lot of work to this driveway and the sidewalk. But we appreciate y'all watching our video so much. Go to repairsforyourhome.com, repairs for FOR yourhome.com, and watch other videos. Thank you very, very much.